Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a fun and creative way to make a Tangled themed birthday cake, which I made for my niece Sophia, who turned 7 years old. So let's get started. To start, I've actually baked sponge cake layers and I've got in chocolate, vanilla and strawberry flavored, all 25 centimeters in diameter. My cakes always have a sugar syrup and this usually keeps the cakes fresh for up to a week. To make this, I have added half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar and boil this until all the sugar has melted. Cake isn't cake if there's no icing. Ask the kids. They go crazy over this icing. And to make this, I used 250 grams of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 500 grams of sifted icing sugar, and I've also added in 50 ml of milk at first. Then I beat it all together and added in another 50 ml of milk and another 500 grams of sifted icing sugar. In total, you should get about 1 kg of buttercream icing. And this is the consistency that the icing needs to be. And now that we have all our components for the cake, our syrup, our buttercream icing, and all our cake layers, let's start layering. Using a 35 centimeter board, I'm going to start layering by first washing and wiping the board, then placing some icing onto it, which stops the cake from moving around the board. Level the cake by cutting off the dome top and drizzle some sugar syrup over this using a silicone brush. Then add in about 1 centimeter thick of buttercream icing and level this out. I usually use trial and error to make this level, but sorry, I'm a home baker. If you want to be more professional, use a cake level to ensure perfection. Then place the chocolate layer and do the same by cutting off the dome at the top, and repeat the process of using the cake syrup and then the buttercream icing over this. Once I've placed my buttercream icing over the chocolate layer, I'm going to finish off by adding the last strawberry layer and then cover the entire cake with buttercream icing about 1 centimeter thick. Place the cake in the fridge and leave for about an hour to set. This will actually make it easier to work with the fondant later on. Remove the cake from the fridge and then using a cake smoother, neaten the edges like I have done here. To cover the cake, I'm going to use store-bought fondant in this pink shade. I used about 1.5 kgs of fondant to cover this cake. Then using some edible glue, which I showed you how to make in one of my previous shorts, I placed some over the cake and then placed my edible print over this so that it sticks well. Using the same edible glue, I have pasted some over the areas where I will be placing the edible fondant flowers. I previously made something similar to this in one of my previous cake decorating shorts, and you can find this under the cake decorating playlist on my channel. I've also shown you how to make these fondant leaves in one of my latest shorts, so go check it out. To change the theme of this cake, you can use any edible print and decor that you like, and if you do try it out, please send me a pic via email or you can DM me on Instagram with what you have created. I would love to see your creations. To neaten the edges, I pasted some gathered purple fondant just to add some contrast to the cake and neaten it. I've also added the birthday girl's name to make it look more personalized. As you can see, every girl loves glitter, and I ended off the cake by sprinkling some purple glitter at the base and silver glitter over the top. And this is the end result. So what do you think about my way of making this cake? Wasn't it easy? Do try it out and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon!